Guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website. And let's get started. This is the website. This website name is faucetoshi, and this website pay this much USD dollar to a lot of people to they make withdrawal in this all the time. This website running, and this is the all withdrawal proof. And let's get started. First of all, click register, put your email, username, password, confirm password, solve this captcha, and just click register. You can easily register it. And I have already an account. Just I put my email address and my password. Then I show you how you can start earning from this website. Just I click login. Okay, right now I'm in my account, and this much for faucetoshi I have, this much faucetoshi I have, this much cryptocurrency available. You can choose any cryptocurrency. Every withdrawal will be one for faucetoshi. Okay, and the first way is a faucet. You can claim your free faucet from here. Every 15 minutes pay you this much faucetoshi, and 25 times claim per day, maybe 1 cent. Okay, maybe more than 1 cent. First of all, solve this little captcha. It's too easy, not too hard to solve it. Then just click claim, and you can see, okay, sorry, invalid captcha. The edge captcha is not can appear in here right now. Is appear, and just I solve the edge captcha. It's an airplane. Okay, and claim. You can see. And the next way is PTC ads. You can watch PTC ads and you can earn this much faucetoshi from here. Just I click one of the advertisement in here. You can see this one. I just click one of the advertisements at 10 seconds timer as, and after 10 seconds show me a capture. Then I solve the capture, and then I click verify. I will be verify my capture. Okay, that's it. It's no big deal. The next way is a lottery ticket. You can participate in lottery ticket. This is the faucetoshi available in here. If you win this lottery ticket after 5 hours and 54 minutes, the lottery ticket will be launching, and this is the lot of people making the lottery ticket. This is very high amount of the earning. Okay, and you can participate in the lottery ticket. The lottery ticket price is this much. You can buy it and participate. The next way is a task. You complete the task and you can easily make amount from the task, completing the task. Okay, the next way is offer wall. After you reaching the level 5, you will be achieved to solve offer. And then next way, achievements. You can just go to your achievements and you can claim your achievements available in here. And you can see you've watched 5 PTC hats, 10 PTC hats, 25 PTC hats. Your achievement, you are and you can achievement. Okay, the more sites, this is the sites available. You can see from this website, and you can participate in that website, and that's it. And thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. After I reaching 1 faucetoshi, I will be sharing with you the withdrawal proof of this website instantly to my faucetpay. Any cryptocurrency you want, you choose it. Just put your faucetpay email address. Just click withdraw. This will be pay you instantly your faucetpay. Any cryptocurrency you love it most, this website pay you. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now. The next step, sorry about this. This is the active contest in here, and this is the referral contest available in here. You can participate in the referral contest. The next way is a faucet claim contest. You can participate in the next way as offer award contest. You can participate it and you can earn it, and that's it. Bye bye for now.